So for this tutorial, you're going to need 2 yards of fabric, and I'm using this pretty pink leopard print. When I saw this print, I knew I had to get it. So I'm so eager to see how it's going to turn out with this dress. I think it's going to look good, but you never know. You're going to need a mashing thread. You're going to need, I don't think we're going to need a zipper yet, but we'll see how the fit is. Let's just put that, because it's a cowl neck, so we might not need the zipper. So patterns, you're going to need the basic bodice patterns. We've been using these patterns a lot lately, so make sure to go make yourself these patterns if you haven't made them yet. And you're also going to need your sleeve pattern as well. I'm going to link all those patterns in the description box. And of course, you're going to need your sewing machine, pins, scissors, those stuff. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Okay, so we're going to start with the front panel. So since we want the front neckline to be a core neckline, we have to split it at the front to spread it out. So you're going to cut it straight on the bust, on the upper bust, not on the bust point, but on the upper bust line here. So the line that is right under your armpit. So you're gonna cut it straight like so. And you don't want to cut it all the way through. You just want to leave a little piece so you can spread it. So like so. I'm gonna try to go even deeper. So now I can spread it as wide as I want. So, but we want to cut this on fold, so you're gonna flip it like so. Place it here on the side, and we're going to spread that. So you can go ahead and pin my paper, my pattern paper, to my fabric, then I'll come back to show you how to trace the outline and cut it. I already went ahead and spread mine. So mind you, the wider you spread it, the more fall you're gonna have, but I think this spread is, I think it's okay at this point. So I'm just going to trace my shoulders, and I'm using you've done tracing that, you can then go ahead and take off your pattern, and you can go ahead at this point also add your seam allowance if you haven't added your seam allowance. So this is the shoulder, this is the armhole here till here. So now we're going to, let me zoom in. So this is the shoulder here where we stop, and we're just going to draw a straight line here like so. So there's a straight line, and then now you can go ahead and cut out the shape that you want. Make sure that you add your seam allowance before you cut. So I'm going to go add my seam allowance, and then I'm going to cut it, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Coordinate, you should have something like this. Obviously you really cannot see the ruche, but after I'm done sewing it, you're going to see. So this is going to fall down like so. So it's going to be something like this, but you will see it when it's on. So the next step is you're going to go ahead and cut your back piece, which is a normal. You don't have to do anything about the back piece. And you're also going to go ahead and cut the sleeve, and then we're going to start sewing. So this is the pieces you're going to need. This is the back piece, and then you're also going to have the front piece, which should have a shape like this, much wider. You're going to have your sleeves. These are the sleeves, 2 sleeves like so, and the last pieces are the facing for the neckline. So right now we can start sewing, and the first step you want to do is you need to go sew the front and the back piece together, and you're going to do that by sewing it. And you can see, let me zoom in for you. So right now I'm placing right side facing, yeah, and I'm going to place my shoulder like so, and I'm just going to pin that, and you repeat it for the other shoulder as well. And you can go ahead, as you can see, you can already see the rouge here, like so. And you're gonna go sew it on the shoulders, sew it on the shoulder. Went ahead and sew it on the shoulders. So now we're going to attach the sleeves. So we're going to be attaching the sleeve with the side seam together at the same time. So this is the armhole right here. You're gonna take your sleeve, going to kind of figure that out. So you're going to pin one side here, you're going to pin one side here, you're going to pin the middle to the middle of the shoulder, and you're just going to continue to pin until the entire armhole is pinned to the entire sleeve is pinned to the armhole. After you're done pinning, you should have something like this. So you want to go ahead and sew it from here till there with a regular stitch. Guys, so I already went ahead and sew the sleeves on the shoulders. So as you can see, it's sewn. So the next step is, what you want to do is, we're going to sew close the sew close the sleeve and the sides at the same time. So I'm going to turn it to the wrong side again. It's really easy. I'm not showing you how these things are sewn because they're really super easy. So as you can see, all you need to do is make sure that it's matching at the armhole right here, and then you just want to go ahead and sew it all the way from here, and then also sew close the side seam as well, as you can see. So you're going to sew from all the way there going down to the bottom of the dress, and you repeat the same step for the other side as well. So the next step is we're going to finish the neckline. So I already went ahead and cut a facing, and I've also went ahead and sew it on the side. I've noticed I'm doing a lot of facing lately, so if you guys want like a detailed video on facings, let me know and I will make a video, but I think they're pretty simple to make. You're gonna pin that. You're just gonna make sure you're doing that for the other shoulder part as well, and then you're going to pin the entire piece to the shoulders. As you can see, where is the shoulder? There's a shoulder. Right side facing. I'm going to pin that there, and then you're gonna go ahead and pin the entire facing to your neckline, and then you can go ahead and sew it. doing the facing, it is nice and flat, well ironed. Also went ahead and top stitch it so the fabric doesn't flip. And what I've done also off camera, I've also went ahead and done all the necessary hemming. So I hemmed the cuffs, and also you're gonna go ahead and hem the bottom part of the dress as well. So basically our dress is done. I'm gonna show you right now on the mannequin because it's not mine and I cannot show me wearing it. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks in the mannequin right now. Okay guys, so this is it on the mannequin. This is the neck. See how it ridges? It's really nice. I holded it at least at the back so it has like a nice shape, but when she wears it, this is the way it's going to look on her because I use a measurement obviously, and my mannequin is a bit smaller than the actual person that has the dress. So I really like how it turned out. The neck is like with the facing, the sleeves. Sorry, my phone is buzzing, but I really just wanted to show you guys the finished look. I'm really happy with the way it turned out.